guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragnya and today I am going to share with you the review of these 3 lip balms from Blue Heaven. Blue Heaven is a really affordable brand guys, as you all know, and these 3 lip balms are really very soft on your lips, and these lip balms are really very affordable and these have no colors in them, but they makes your lips very soft. You can apply them at night time or before applying any matte lipsticks. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So this is the first one. This is the strawberry flavored lip balm, and look at this packaging guys. This is so cute, and this has a really nice fragrance, fragrance like bubble gum, and this don't have any colors, but this really keeps your lips very soft. You could apply this at night time or before applying any matte lipsticks. This is really very good. These 3 of the lip balms don't have any colors in them. Just like their fragrance are different. And second one is the strawberry one. This smells really very nice also. It smells like a strawberry. This also don't have any color. Just the fragrance is different, as I have said. But I really love the packaging. And these are really very affordable, like the most affordable lip balm which I have ever used. I think I have bought them for rupees 80 or something like that. This is the third one. Look at the texture guys. It's just really soft. And this third one is the coconut flavored. And this again smells like a real coconut. So if you really want to buy this lip balm, so I will be sharing the links in the description box below. So that is it for today guys. If you like my video and think that they are useful, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Until next video, stay safe. Bye bye guys.